The new Flying Spur brings every element of Bentley's extraordinary DNA together in perfect, seamless balance. Effortless performance, sculpted design and masterful technology combine to create a luxury grand tourer that is as graceful as it is commanding, as dynamic as it is poised. In every astounding detail, across every carefully crafted surface, is an elegance and sophistication that elevates your journey and inspires further exploration. Before we continue, give the video a like and subscribe to Luxury Club. Let's get started. The new Flying Spur is available with a powerful 6.0-liter W12 engine. Balance and dynamic handling have been optimized and enhanced by positioning the Flying Spur's engine closer to the center of the car. Meanwhile, active all-wheel drive monitors the level of grip and adapts to the driving conditions and terrain to provide greater confidence at all times. With the option of switching between 4 driving modes, you can enjoy an engaging driving experience on demand, while remaining firmly in control. The Flying Spur W12 harnesses the formidable nature of the 6.0-liter W12 engine, combining impressive power and torque to deliver effortless acceleration, to a top speed of 207 miles per hour. The third generation of the Bentley Flying Spur leaves not much to be desired, but the German car modification company MANSORY has won up the British luxury mark with this kit. The 2020 Bentley Flying Spur is the embodiment of pure British opulence, and it's pretty vague to even think of challenging the master craftsmanship of the luxury automaker, which is one of the reasons you do not see many bizarrely modified Bentleys around. However, MANSORY has revealed a custom kit for the luxury saloon, which the company claims has further modified and refined it to meet the extraordinary customer demands. For those who might not be aware, MANSORY is a luxury car modification firm based in Germany, that has been working on works on vehicles from a host of manufacturers, including Aston Martin, Audi, BMW, Bentley, Bugatti, Ferrari, Maserati, Lamborghini, Lotus Cars, Rolls-Royce and even Tesla, since it was founded back in 1989. Talking about the recently launched 2020 Flying Spur, the saloon comes plonked with a 6.0-liter twin-turbo W12 engine, that is hand-built in Crewe, England. The said powertrain belts out a whopping 635 PS of maximum power, and has a peak torque output rated at 900 Nm, which is basically supercar territory. These mind-boggling figures mean that the W12 engine is capable enough to take the 2,437 kg car from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.8 seconds. However, MANSORY has updated the car's ECU and added a high-performance exhaust system, which helps this MANSORY Flying Spur generate an astonishing 710 PS power and 1,000 Nm torque. Also, this further brings down the 0 to 100 km per hour time to 3.6 seconds. Before the car tops out at 340 km per hour. Nonetheless, MANSORY hasn't limited itself just to upgrading the motor. The car has been finished in a deep black paintwork, coupled with dark carbon fiber front lip, side skirts and rear diffuser. A tiny spoiler with contrasting red accents can also be seen. Mounted on the tailgate. Move inside the luxurious cabin, and an all-new leather carbon sports steering wheel with shift paddles welcomes you. Additionally, the MANSORY Flying Spur comes equipped with aluminium foot pedals, dark carbon fiber inserts on the dashboard and center tunnel, as well as new leather upholstery with 3D embossing for the door inserts and center armrest. MANSORY has shod the Flying Spur with 22-inch wheels as standard, which can be had with either BY5 or F23 lightweight fully forged alloy wheels, wrapped in ultra-high-performance rubber with 275/35 units up front, and 315/30 at the rear. After seeing all that, what are your thoughts on MANSORY work, and do you think it deserved going for the MANSORY's version and pay the extra bucks? Tell us in the comments. Finally, if you enjoy, give the video a like and subscribe to Luxury Club.